There's nothing worth more that can ever come close. Nothing can compare. You're our living hope. In your presence, Lord. In your presence, Lord. In your presence, Lord. And I've tasted and seen all the sweetest of loves, when my heart becomes free and my shame is undone.